Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? So welcome back to my video class, and I hope you must have been missing my video classes, right? You had exams and some holidays, and so you have not got our video classes from some days. So once again we are going to start our video class for second semester, and today I am here with the short story from Bapu's life. Can you see here? Lesson 1, a story from Bapu's life. Bapu's, who is this Bapu's? Bapu means father. So let us take a little bit of time just reminding ourselves what is the role of a father in our life. See, father is the one who always loves his family, right? They always think about their family before themselves. They first want to feed their family, then they think about themselves. Even while clothing, they want their children and their family to clothe very nicely, and then they think about their own clothings. So father is someone who is always thinking good of a family. So a story from Bapu's life. Bapu, even I am calling Bapu. That means the father of all Indian. Who is the father of the nation? To find out who is the father of the nation, we will have to first read the lesson. So I want you all to read the lesson. You have to open your Banyan book of semester 2. And I hope you all remember the important rule while reading the lesson. That is, using your index finger, you have to follow as I read out. So open page number 9. Lesson 1. A story from Bapu's life. People called Gandhiji Bapu, which means father. In this first line, underline the word Gandhiji. Next, Bapu. After Gandhiji, underline the word Bapu. Next, father. Father, which means father. Underline the word father. Okay, we'll go to the next line now. He is known as the father of our nation. Here, underline the word nation. He is known as the father of our nation. He believed all of us to be brothers and sisters. In this line, underline the word believed. Next, brothers. Next, sisters. 3 words in this line: believed, brothers, sisters. He told people to respect one another. Here, underline the word respect. Now we'll go to the next paragraph. While traveling through the country, Gandhiji saw the suffering of the people. Here, underline the word traveling. Traveling. Next, country. After traveling, underline country. Next, suffering. Suffering. Many people were too poor to afford clothes. Here, underline the word afford. Afford. Next line. Several had little or no food to eat. We'll go to the third paragraph. He decided to have simple food and only one meal a day. Here, underline the word decided. Decided. Next, simple. Simple. He decided, underline the word decided, to have simple, underline the word simple, food and only one meal a day. Underline the word meal. Meal. Okay, M-E-A-L, meal. He also decided to wear only a loin cloth. Underline the word loin. He also decided to wear only a loin cloth. He gave up the expensive clothes that he used to wear when he was in England. Here underline the word expensive. Expensive. He gave up the expensive, underline the word expensive, clothes that he used to wear when he was in England. Go to the next paragraph. One day, a little boy visited Gandhiji at his ashram. Underline the word visited. Visited. Next last word in that sentence, ashram. Underline the word ashram. We'll go to the next sentence. He was distressed to see how Bapu was dressed. Underline the word distressed. He was distressed to see how Bapu was dressed. He doesn't even wear a shirt, he thought. Underline the word shirt. He doesn't even wear a shirt, he thought. Why don't you wear a kurta, Bapu? Asked the boy. Underline the word kurta. Why don't you wear a kurta, Bapu? Asked the boy. Turn the page, students. Bapu replied gently, I am very poor. I cannot afford a kurta. Here, underline the word gently. Bapu replied gently. Underline the word gently. I am very poor. I cannot afford a kurta. The child's heart was filled with pity. Underline the word pity. My mother sieves well, he said. And underline the word sieves. Sieves. And even pity. Filled with pity. Heart filled with pity. Underline the word pity and sieves. My mother sieves well, he said. She makes all my clothes. I shall ask her to sew a kurta for you. How many kurtas can your mother make? Asked Gandhiji. How many do you need? Asked the boy. 1, 2, 3. She can make as many as you want. Gandhiji thought for a moment and said, You see, I am not alone. I have a large family, son. In this paragraph here, underline the word moment. Underline the word moment. Gandhiji thought for a moment. Underline the word. Okay, next. Underline the word large family. I have a large family. Son, here large family. Underline. Go to the next line. How many kurtas do you need? Persisted the boy. Underline the word persisted. I have 40 crore brothers and sisters, Bapu explained. Here underline the word 40 crore. Underline the word 40 crore. And explained, and underline the word explained. See once again, I have 40 crore, underline the word 40 crore, brothers and sisters. Bapu explained, underline the word explained. Till every one of them has a kurta, how can I wear one? Tell me, can your mother make 40 crore kurtas? The boy was thoughtful. Underline the word thoughtful. Bapu was right. The whole nation was Bapu's family. What use would one kurta be to him? So students, I hope you all have understood who is Bapu or who is the father of our nation. Yes, you're right. He is Mahatma Gandhiji. He fought for our country and made us free from British. So he is considered as a father of our nation or Bapu. In this lesson, we see there is another character and he is a small boy and he wants to meet Gandhiji. He has heard a lot of things about Gandhiji, that he is a very simple man. You know, Gandhiji, he studied in abroad, and after coming to India, he went all over India and saw the poverty in this country. He saw the poor people and the suffering. So looking at those people, he thought to himself, these are the people who live in his country, and he considered them as his own brothers and sisters. So he decided, till all the people in the country doesn't have food properly or doesn't have the clothing properly, even I am going to live like them. Because I told you, right, already he considers them as his own brothers and sisters. So he after coming here from abroad, after his studies, he gave up all his good clothing and he started to clothe himself with the loin cloth. Loin cloth, you can see the picture, you have the picture of Gandhiji in your textbook, and wherever if you see in internet, he is found with the big shawl with which he covers himself. That cloth is known as a loin cloth. He gave up. It is not that he didn't have expensive clothes, he had it, but he gave it up, looking at the poverty or looking at the poor people. And he also decided that he will have simple food, not expensive food like chicken fry, biryani. No, he thought to himself, I will have simple food, and he decided to have meal only one time a day. You know, there are many people in our country which we are not aware of, that they don't get all the breakfast, lunch and the dinner. They won't have. They are very poor. They can afford maybe one time meal. So even he decided that he wants to live like them. So after hearing all these things about Gandhiji, the little boy wanted to meet Gandhiji, and he went to his ashram. The boy went to the ashram. He used to live in ashram. After going there, when he met, he was really surprised. You know, this personality or this man is known as the father of the nation, and he is so lean, so thin, so weak, and he is just covering himself with the loin cloth. Looking at him, this little boy, he says that he wants to give him something. He told that, Bapuji, why do you wear this kind of cloth? He told him that my mother sews well. Sews means stitching. My mother can stitch nice kurta. All my kurtas are stitched by my mother. So I will ask her to stitch a kurta even for you. So Gandhiji was like, no, I don't want kurta. But he was not listening. He was like, no, she stitches for me. I will ask her to stitch even for you. He persisted, or he forced. He told again and again. So Gandhiji will ask him, how many kurtas can your mother stitch? How many kurtas? So boy will ask, how many do you want? Do you want 1, 2, 3? How many you want? You say, I will give it for you. I will ask my mother to stitch it for you. So what will Gandhiji once again say? He will say, I have many brothers and sisters. I told you, right? He thinks that the people living in India all are his own brother and sisters. So he will say, I have a large family. All the people who are living in our country are my own brothers and sisters. So, can your mother stitch 40 crore kurtas? So, what will be the number? 40 crore. When Gandhiji told this, the boy was like, he was stunned, he was in a shock. 40 crore kurtas? Because then he told, till all the people who live in this country, all his brothers and sisters, till they don't wear a proper kurta, how can I wear one? Till the people living in this country don't have a good proper clothing, how can I wear one? When he told this question, boy understood why is Gandhiji known as Bapu. You see, we just think about ourselves. Do we think about the people who is living around? I'm not saying in the city or India. Do we even think about our neighbor? See, you must be having some neighbors who are really poor, right? Do you think that, okay, they don't have food, I should go and share? Very rarely we do that. But look at this person. He thinks about the whole country and he doesn't want to eat or wear something which is superior to them. He wants to live a poor and simple life so that so that he took that decision for himself after looking at the poor people. So we cannot do that, right? We are not so big hearted that we give up all our clothing, but we can do small things, right? We can go and help the people around us whom we know, at least not the whole India, but the people whom we know they are in difficulty. We can go and help them, we can approach them, right? Because of this pandemic, there are many people who are feeling difficult situation, difficult time. You can go and help them out. Or even in the class when you used to come to school, not the whole school, just the students who are sitting in your class, you can help them in many ways, maybe lending your pencil, eraser, or giving them water to drink. So in this lesson, we understand the way of life how Gandhiji led, and we have to learn, looking at his life, that even we need to think about other people. And we have some of the important words in this lesson. Shall we go through it? Gandhiji, look at the spelling, okay? Look at the spelling here. Gandhiji, Gandhiji. Next we have father, Father, father. Respect, Respect, respect. We should respect each other. Loin cloth, I already told you the cloth that Gandhiji wears. Loin, it's not lion, it's not Lion, it's Loin, loin cloth, Cloth. Expensive, Expensive, expensive. Ashram, expensive means costly, okay? Costly, something which has too much of cost is known as expensive. Ashram, Ashram. Ashram is the place where Gandhiji used to live. Distressed, Distressed, Distress means feeling of sorrow, feeling tensed. You know, we can say fikar karna. Distressed, okay? Next, afford, Afford. Afford means to buy something. If you are able to buy means I can afford that. If you are not able, I cannot afford it. To buy something, to be able to buy something. Afford, Afford, afford. Kurta, Kurta. Kurta is the name of a clothing, right? It will be a little long, and you know, without mostly we don't have buttons for the kurta till how we have for the shirt. It will be with the collar. You have the picture of kurta in the lesson also, kurta. Next, pity. Pity is to feel very feeling pity on poor people. Paap lagna, you know, sometimes when you see the poor people who don't have food, you feel pity, okay? Pity, pity. Sieves, Sieves. Sieves means stitching clothes, sieves cloth, okay? Persisted, Persisted, persisted in sense to force for something. The boy persisted Gandhiji asking, how many kurta do you want? He was forcing Gandhiji, I will stitch, or I will ask my mother to sieve kurta for you. He persisted, forced, okay? Next, 40 crore. See, crore has 8 zeros. So 40 crore. That means Gandhiji wanted to stitch kurta for all the people who live in our country. So I hope you all will go through these difficult words and even read the lesson once again and be thorough with it. Till then, take care of yourself. Jazakumullahu khaira.
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah.